We've got 2 Roccabox mystery boxes, £5 each. If you want to see what we got, then please keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very, very well. So Roccabox had a Easter deal on where you could purchase mystery boxes for £5. I took advantage of that offer and I ordered 2. And there was a £3.95 delivery charge. So the whole thing cost £13.95. So I've not even looked yet. I'm not peaked. So I'm quite excited to see whether the boxes would be different. Okie dokie, so let's have a look. For those of you that don't know, Roccabox is a beauty box. I used to have it and then I found that I was feeling a little bit disappointed. So I've actually cancelled it just for a little while and see if things change over time. So here are the 2 boxes here. So normally this would cost you £13.95 a month, but I got 2 for the same price. So inside the first mystery box we have some goodies here. So let's have a look and see what we got. Okay, so the first item we have a Sport Stamina Mascara. This is nice mascara actually. I've had this before and I like the tube of this and I like the look of it as well. It's really nice mascara actually. So I might give that a go in my series where I'm testing mascaras and lipsticks. So that's the first product. Then secondly we have a Dr. Craft. This is a Bio Rosehip Facial Oil. Okay, naturally retinol alternative, ultra hydrating, softening, wrinkle reducing, anti-age formula, apricot, rosehip and grape. Oh, that sounds delicious. Let's have a smell of this. I've never received this before, so this is new. You get a decent sized bottle. It's got a dropper. Oh, that smells nice actually. Very nice. Okay, that's that. And then we have Balance Me. This is a vitamin C repair serum. Got a couple of these floating about, so I'll pop this in a giveaway for sure. And then we have a, what's this? Dr. Lip. What is this? Oh, it's an award-winning balm. Ultra Nourishing Lip Balm, lip gloss, soothe sore, sunburnt, peeling or itchy skin, tame eyebrows. Okay, so this is a all-rounder. This is something else I've never tried before. Oh, look how cute that is. That is really dinky. Dry skin, luscious lips and glossy bits, 100% natural. I'm going to be honest, it just feels like thick Vaseline on your lips. Okay, so that's that. What else do we have in here? What is this? This is a natural Himalayan rose pink salt bath. Oh, that's great. I look forward to trying this. I have a foot spa and I'm always using sort of salts and stuff in there just to soften up my feet. Got a nice amount in there as well. So yeah, I look forward to trying that for sure. Should we have a smell? See if it smells nice. Oh, there's no smell actually. I thought there would have been, considering it's rose, but no smell at all. Not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Okay, so just to recap, we got the salt bath, we've got the Dr. Lip, we've got the serum, facial oil, sorry, Balance Me serum, and the mascara. Not bad for a £5, guys, not bad. Just interested to see now whether box number 2 is going to be exactly the same. It feels different actually, so I'm hoping it will be different. And it is, so this is what's in here. I like Nip and Fab beauty products, so that's the first thing. Then we have some Super Duper body wash. Nice. Oh, I've got a repeat here, the Dr. Lip. And we have a repeat of the mascara. And last but not least, we have a pumpkin infused sheet mask, anti-aging formula. Okay, so we have the mask, we have the Super Duper body wash, we have another mascara, we have another Dr. Lip, and we have the Nip and Fab. Not bad products actually. I'm quite happy with both boxes. I'll be saving some of these products for a future giveaway, so you need to look out for that if you're interested in winning any of those. Leave your comments down below. Let me know if you think these boxes were worth a total of £13.95 including P&P. And until the next video, please take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.